cautious, long-standing cautious. At the same time, at home also you have functional activities. And the third part is going to be your treatment part, because I want something to be vivid. What we speak, it has to get converted into action. So ma'am, I just want to have a quick idea about. So you guys have more of neck pain, back pain. What exactly you suffer from? Neck and back pain, and leg also. I think you all have kept your headache at home. Okay, so why this pain? Why this pain starts? Okay, so most important, ma'am, we need to understand pain factor. Pain कहाँ से आता है? So, do you think it is a postural due to postural or mental? आपको क्या लगता है कि ज्यादा posture गलत होने की वजह से होता है कि mentally ज्यादा होता है? Very correct. Mentally, very correct. Because everything is in mind. ठीक है, everything is mind. That's what we say. Never mind. Few things like how her what is like never mind few things. Be open. So that is the most accurate position of the brain which we go ahead with, not getting the pain. So if you want, pain is due to physical activities और जो posture होता है, इसमें posture भी बोला है, तो that is 70 to 80% due to posture. So 40 posture I'll suggest like how you have got the setup. तो setup के बारे से गलत होता है क्या? नहीं. तो setup हम लोग का बहुत अच्छा होता है. Chair होती है, table होता है, जहाँ पे हम लोग write up करते हैं. See her, she was doing this. But always, if you notice a posture, will take you as a demo person, ma'am. So then आप अभी check कर रहे थे, तो आपका elbow ऐसे bend था. Okay, so definitely आपको कुछ ही दिनों में shoulder pain start होगा. Secondly, you will completely engrossed to do that. So what I'll suggest, definitely your inputs matters. So you need to keep yourself straight, and you never have to lean on this. We always have. कहाँ पे भी आप खाना खाने जाओ तो we are all lean on that. So that means your decisions are also going to lean on others. That's a hack. Always remember, I repeat it. More you lean, your decisions are going to lean on others. कहाँ पे भी आपको मन कर रहा है कि मुझे जाना है कहाँ बाहर, तो आपका क्या होगा कि नहीं मैं आप बताओ ना आपको क्या लगता है. You know where you have to go. आज आपका संडे, आपको पता है कि आपको क्या प्लान आउट करना है, पर आपकी डिसीजन कहाँ ना कहाँ चलती है. So now onwards, you will never get your hands on it, because physiology of the muscle works on your psychology of the muscle. Physiology of the muscle works on psychology. Psychology matters, and that's what your mind frame of mind matters a lot. So now onwards, no leaning. Second, we all want to take a good back support. जैसे हम लोग ऐसे बैठते हैं और पीछे पास बैक सपोर्ट या ऐसे लीन करते हैं, हमें लगता है ये हमारा बहुत करेक्ट पोस्चर है. और स्पेशली बहुत बार हमें अच्छा लगता है कि इसके अंदर चले जाए, ताकि हमें ऐसा लगता है हम एकदम कंफर्टेबली बैठ गए. ये सबसे रॉन्ग पोजीशन है. आप देख सकते हो मैं पूरी बेंड हो चुकी हूँ. अभी के अभी जो मेरा पोजीशन था और अभी के अभी मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा सा कम हो रहा है ऐसी बात करने में, क्योंकि मैं अपने बैक को फिर से रेस्ट कर दिया. और बैक को रेस्ट करना यानी यू आर लीनिंग अगेन ऑन समथिंग. सो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, नेवर टेक बैक सपोर्ट. तो आपको सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है आप लोग को यू हैव टू सिट एट द कॉर्नर. सी एज सून एज आई कम फॉरवर्ड, my leg position is completely straight. It's not abducted, it is straight. Okay, and I'm straight from my spine. So whatever information I'm going to give, it's directly going to connect it to your brain cells, cortex. Because your medulla oblongata is straight. What is medulla oblongata? We all know. Cervical spine के ऊपर था. Why do we get a cervical spine? Because we have a tendency to lean. We have a tendency to lean. So now onwards, your spinal cord needs to be straight. Second hack. First hack, no leaning backward. Second, keeping your body straight. Third, सबके पोजीशन अभी आप ना नीचे देखते हुए, you just check your ankle position must be out. Feel करो, सबके पोजीशन straight है. How many people have straight position ankle? Yes, everybody has this. You can check. Okay. So now onwards, try to keep your ankle straight. The more you keep your ankle straight, you will never experience knee pain. Because your knee has to be straight. If you keep your ankle joint straight, your knee will not be abducted. Now many of you may experience that we have a thighs. Because of that, we need to keep little apart because it's keep touching. So for that, the solution is keep it apart. But ankle cannot be apart. The more you keep ankle apart, your knee pain, knee joint, medial aspect, especially the medial side. जो old age में सबसे ज़्यादा मालिश इसी तरफ से करना चाहिए. Because you experience the position is always abducted, sides. God gifted position is always straight. If you notice, you all have put up such a beautiful bindis at the center. But if I change the position of that bindi at lateral side or somewhere on the other side, will you be comfortable? So if your joint position is straight, then only your alignment of body is going to be straight. So making sure now onwards, whenever you are sitting whichever chair, there is no such kind of expensive chairs or ergonomic chairs. This is all about your body, and that is most expensive. So make sure that whichever chair you are sitting, you will be always keeping your hand rested. Especially ma'am, if you want to check and correct, you just use your fingers more. Because towards the end, if you notice 60s and 70s, you start getting shaking of the hand, and that is nothing but the Parkinson's. And Parkinson's, all administrative people, teachers, multitasking, because we all are doing that, and that is the only reason Parkinson's is a cause. So if you want to know what is the Parkinson's, you get a tremors, you have a rigidity of the spine, because entire life, 20s and 30 years of experience, we all sit with it because of teaching, because of occupation. We call this occupation hazard. And when patient comes to us at 60 and we say, sir, this is due to your occupation, it's very difficult to digest at that time. So why not to change right now? Third, most important, when you stand, I want never be on this, never be on this, or never be on the single leg stand. Why? Because single leg standing will again give you one side of brain activation. We want bilateral brain. We have right side of brain, left side of brain. If you notice, many of the patient comes with the paralysis of left side. Why? Because right side is very dominant. How many people have right side dominancy? Everyone. So everyone wants to suffer with left side paralysis. किसी को left side paralysis करवाना है? Paralysis नहीं चाहिए. So you have to start working with right side and left side of your body. तो कैसे एक्टिवेट करेंगे? सिंपल. उसके लिए हॉस्पिटल आने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिर से मैं 3 हैक्स बता रही हूँ. आपको पैरालिसिस नहीं चाहिए. दोनों राइट और लेफ्ट साइड पे इक्वल ब्लड फ्लो चाहिए. तो आपको आज से राइट साइड और लेफ्ट साइड पे इक्वल वेट देना है. जैसे अभी मैडम भी बहुत टाइम से खड़े रहते हैं, बहुत सबका काम करते हैं, पर उनके पैर थक जाते तो वो बैक सपोर्ट लेते हैं. तो बैक सपोर्ट लेते ही बॉडी पोजीशन चेंजेस ऑन राइट साइड बिकॉज डोमिनेंट. तो ब्लड फ्लो राइट साइड पे कम, लेफ्ट साइड एक्टिवेशन अपोजिट होता है. वी ऑल नो दैट साइंस. ओके, तो से सबसे थर्ड हैक है बोथ साइड इक्वल 50-50%. हाउ विल यू कम टू नो दैट वेदर आई एम स्ट्रेट और नॉट? ओके, you get your knee contraction, knee tightening, okay, and feel your brain equal. You'll come to know right पे ज़्यादा pressure और left पे. Patella bone, it has a coordination directly with your brain. If your patella has some problem, that is a knee joint, your balance is going to get an issue. So make sure you're going to be equal by putting weight on your knees, not directly on the ankle. Can I see everyone's how, like, you know, did you get this idea? Can you stand? And now you observe each other. Whoever is opposite, just observe each other. Okay. Normally, how do you stand? Go back to that original version of you. Okay. Little forward bend, little apart. Yes. So now onward, the hack is down and shoulders down. The maximum people are contracted. Maximum people are hands on back. Maximum people are like this. Or like if you are tired, then you always have a habit of standing. So now onwards is a bad habit. That shows your posture, that shows your mind is little wavy. It is not balanced. Balance is what? Is all about emotional, physical and mental. It's a free thing. Mental means whatever task you are doing it very calmly, very peacefully. Even though it is a bad day at your workplace, but you design your brain in such a way you were very, very balanced. We also maybe had little extra reactions or some kind of anxiety or some kind of not giving our opinion. But you can diagnose yourself, you were very balanced in that situation. The children must have done something wrong, if parents have put up some wrong allegations on without doing anything. That same thing, your opinion or yourself was balanced. So that is what mental balance. Second, physical balance is all about whatever condition you are, child is crying or whatever it is happening, you were more balanced. Right and left side were activated. Third, most important is your emotion. So many times if something happens, you directly cry. Why do you feel like crying? Do you think crying is a good or it's a sign of weakness? It's good. It's good to share. But if something happens immediately, somebody scolds you very badly, how many people you experience that you directly cry? I don't want this room to be coming into any of the tears factors. You can enjoy, you can celebrate birthdays, everything. But this is not a place to cry. So whenever you feel something has been wrong, immediately you will get a piece of paper. You'll write down what experience you had for today. Something went wrong without your fault. Write it down and just burn it or put it in the dustbin. And then experience you will not have those things. I'm not stopping your tears, but I don't want you to feel weak. Emotions has to be expressed, but this is your professional work. Here it is not correct. Okay? So emotional well-being. Now, how many people have shifted towards left side or right side? Or somebody else listed their hands? I just wanted to see that. So I diverted all of you. Did you experience for 5 minutes also, for 3 minutes also, your weight bearing shifted? So now onwards, make sure how you guys are wearing your specs. Right and left has to be balanced. Even if you're tired, better you sleep. Sit. And now sitting position, can you show me immediately? Yes. How will you be sitting now onwards? And move forward. Yes. And make sure everybody is keeping the ankle straight. And now just take a deep breath. And all these hacks, just absorb it. Whenever you're straight, you will get the focus more. So whatever maybe 5 or 10 hacks I may give you, the absorption is going to be immediately. Otherwise you will not end up with confusion. And confused mind is always towards the acidity. How many people have acidity here? Okay. Be open. We are not going to. Okay, acidity maximum बहुत सारे लोग हैं. अभी आपको पता है acidity का hack क्या है? Overthinking. आपको ओवरथिंकिंग होता होगा. एक एपिसोड है, आज यहाँ जाना है तो मैं ये पहनूं, वो पहनूं, या फिर ये करूं, या कितने बजे करूं, सब कुछ सबका ओवरथिंकिंग हो जाता है. See, psychology. So most important now onwards, psychology needs to be balanced. So one hand, overthinking is equal to acidity. Acidity is equal to arthritis. So please stop. Second, do not lean. You are leaning your decisions on others. Third, spinal cord is your mother of thoughts. If you keep your spinal cord, you are balanced. Fourth, right and left equally. Okay, and fifth, emotions needs to be right. Express when you are in cozy place. Okay. Now I am going to take you towards the assessment part. Immediately, I am going to give you the pain. How many people have neck pain? Okay, now I request you all. You can remove all your metals here. Okay, so that you know it is in that way. When we stay
like Ishwari, her mother and father. Mother is also an educationist. Please tell her.
Yeah. She's a nutritionist. She's 72 years old. And
For nutritionist.
Yes. She's we have a
Vice Chancellor.
yeah, Vice Chancellor of Nagpur University. We have a orphan school which has a strength of 5,000 girls. And since last 20 years, we have an open school as well. So there used to be student and
She
now
was
they are
Vice Chancellor in Nagpur University.
She retired as a
Vice Chancellor. And father.
Then he has done his classical music, PhD in classical music, and now he is completely dedicated towards the student. He is helping me.
He was also professor.
So I belong from educated family. But we like to educate others.
Mother,
And that's what it's rooted in our life.
that's why she has that.
Chalo, I want you to take advantage of me as much as you can. Start. Both legs up. One leg up. Hold it for 10 seconds. Chin ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift up. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift up. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. Don't bring it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5.
better feel.
Pain relief.
छान.
Thank you.